Alright, so we're talking about least common multiples. So first thing we need to find is, what does a common multiple even mean? Well, that's a number into which each number in a given set may be evenly divided. So, common multiples. What you do is you list the multiples. So let's list these multiples here. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so forth. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so forth. Common multiples are the ones that they have in common. So they have 6 in common, 12 in common, 18 in common. Those are common multiples. Now, least common multiple is the one we're looking at. So least common multiple means the smallest number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. So the smallest multiple that they have in common, the least common multiple, the smallest number that they have in common is the 6 right here. So the LCM of 2 and 3 equals 6. Okay, so here's the common multiples that they have. The least common multiple, the smallest number, is 6. Alright, so let's do some practice here. 2 and 5. Now, I don't have to list out all of them forever. If I know that the common multiple is a certain one, I can just list to there and stop. So, for example, I already know what the least common multiple is, but I'm going to list anyways. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 is 5 and 10. Least common multiple, 10. LCM equals 10. 6 and 10. This one would be a little bit more difficult. So you're going to have 6, 12, 18, 24, 32, 6, 38. What else do we have? Wait, did I do this wrong? I did this wrong. I'm like, this isn't right. It's 36. This is 30. Alright. 10 is obviously 10. 20. 30. 30 and 30. LCM equals 30. It's the least common one that they have. Least multiple that they have in common. 12. 24. 24. LCM 24. I don't need to keep going on because I already know. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 12, 15, 18. 6, 12, 18. 24, 9, 18, 27. Now look, some of you would have been like, oh, well, 9 because 3 and 9, or 6 because 6 and 3. But all 3 of them have to have the common multiple. So all 3 of them have 18. Therefore, the least common multiple equals 18. So what you're doing is you're listing out the multiples, finding out the smallest number that they have in common, and that's the least common multiple. Just like we did with these numbers. Questions? Write them down, and I will help you in class.